Hello friends, today I am going to show how to horizontal data turn into vertical. So this is the Excel sheet. I am going to show how to this table turn into vertical. For that we need to select this table like this, then use Control C. If you want to use a new sheet, you can use a new sheet. I am going to use this same sheet. Then right click, then go to paste special, then paste special. You need to select, you don't need to change this paste and operation. You need to tick this transpose, then press OK. You can see it's changing to vertical. This heading company contact country is changing to vertical. This is how to change horizontal data into vertical. If you need to use a new sheet, then use Control N, then right click, go to paste special, then transpose, then press OK like this. So guys, this is how to horizontal data turn into vertical. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, please comment and share. Thank you guys.